Hello everyone and welcome to a new stream. How are you doing guys? We are back to coding our stuff and we are finally continuing building our farm application. How cool is that? Yeah, because the last stream I planned to organize this type of things, right? So let's save this. Um, Probably I will name it SL2. That means study and learning part 2. So if you remember, if you watched the previous stream, we scheduled. Wait, what the fuck is going on? Why is it already? God damn it! It's not supposed to happen, but anyway. Okay, so today we had planned to schedule the streams in this way. We study and learn on the first part in on the first 5 or 6 hours. Then on the rest we learn OpenGL, and then we develop our form application. Today I couldn't stream for Unfortunately, today I couldn't stream for OpenGL for the OpenGL app. So unfortunately, we couldn't do that. But uh, we are back. We are gonna continue with our form application, right? So that's basically how what we are going to do. So if you go here, that's our C program to recreate matrices and do calculations with it, right? Then we have this part right here. This is our form application, right? I have to rewatch the stream uh, to to get what I left the last time. So we definitely need to implement some things, right? Definitely need to finish some things, right? And one of them is to restyle our farm uh, app. So one one of the things that we should do right now is to open XAMPP and enable these two right here. So now XAMPP is active, so we can now access our local host form application. So if we go here and then we go here, here we are. This is our beautiful form application right here. And now what we need to do is to restyle this part, right? Because it's it's not that great. Like we have to make it more user friendly. I'm not streaming for long because right now for me this is the time right now for me. This is it's almost 2 a.m. for me. So probably not the best. Not even the best, right? So before we start, we I actually want to if we add a new rule, I actually want to make the style of this field much better, right? We should improve the style. So that means uh, we should shrink the spacing between these two elements because it looks so ugly. Let's do that right now. So if we go here, we should. Uh, do we have the type radio? Okay, here it is. But there is no fucking. There is no margin styling. Like I don't know where this comes from exactly. Like let's just check right here. So we have this. The type is radio, right? And it's probably it's not the max width. What is it? Let me just check this. It's actually the width. But where did I set this? Oh, right here. So we have to make the width and set. Okay, let's do that right now. So we go here and then we put this width to and set, right? Now let's try to refresh the page and let's see what we get. For some reason this didn't fix the problem. I'm not sure what happened exactly. Uh, it shouldn't happen. I don't know, but I don't think that should be right like this. Oh, that's actually. Wait. Let me just search for radium, and we have two elements, two results. Let's put this like this, and let's try again. And now we have it normalized. Very good. Like it is supposed to be. That's good. That's good. Now the only thing I need to do is I need to style this element, right? I will do that later. I will do that later. So right now we did this part, right? So if we go here, okay. So we fixed one of the issues. Now the other thing I wanna adjust is actually the buttons, right? Like when we click on a button, we should make it more bright. Like we when we hover on a button, right? Especially the important ones. And another thing is, if we let's try to search for a button. Ah, that's weird. Nothing appears. Probably it's on the other style file. Let's check that. So we have this. Uh-huh. Oh, that's what we need. Let's go here we should create a new version of this button and should be more. We should make it more wide, more bright, right? What if we do this? I don't know. Let's make it bright. So this is the bright version, right? Let's put this here. This is the variable, right? Let's do this again. I think this is a little bit too bright. What's going on? Oh wait, I just for some reason I added an error because I am an error. Uh, I I don't know where does this come from. I'm just gonna comment this out. So we have this part, and let's try again. Oh, I like this. I really like this. Honestly, the animation should be like that. Let's try again. Oh, I like this. I really like this. It makes me feel more clickable, right? Uh, Honestly, I think this is too bright. Let's go back here and let's decrease this a little bit. Probably we keep this value. Let's try again. Yeah, I think this is much better. It should be too bright. Honestly, I like it. So, but this is actually one type of button, right? We should get a new button, right? We should go. Let's go here and let's create another button. And then we have button and hover like this, right? We will remove all of this, right? Wait. I don't know, honestly. Uh, we make this transparent, and then we have background color will be transparent, right? Then we have the color, and we assign it to black, and when we hover it, we assign the background color to gray. Let's put another 7 right here, something like this, right? Let's try that out. So this has the class transparent, and luckily I created this script to handle this part, right? When we open the dialog, you can also add classes, and that's cool. So we have this. Let's go here, and we change this to confirm. Let's go here, and let's set this. I'm not gonna do that for now. I want to set it to red to the delete message, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Very weird. It shouldn't be like this. Wait, hold on. Wait. Let me just go here. Where the fuck did I put the style? Yeah, I forgot to include the class like that. Let's try again. So we have this, and now we have it. Should be more transparent in my opinion. Let's put F3 and let's try again. Yeah, I like it. I really like this. Yep, I think this is. I think this is good. Damn, if I'm already tired. Jesus, I'm not even streaming for 30 minutes. Just 20 minutes. And I still have to stay awake for another 40 minutes. Jesus fucking Christ. This is not going to be that easy. So tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will learn more about inverse matrices and transpose matrices. It will be interesting. So this should be transparent. So if we go here, like this actually is defined inside uh, the edit.php file. So I'll change this to close. And then let's set the class to transparent. Transparent. Like this. And we do the same thing right here. And then we have the close button, right? Yeah, I think it looks good. Probably we need some. We need a border. Let's set the border. So border, solid 1 pixel, and then this would be the color. Fucking hate. For some reason, the hashtag is considered a comment, and it's so annoying. Like, why? Fuck is wrong with you? Uh, I like this. Maybe it should be better, but this is already good, I think. So we have the close button, right? Here we have, and this looks good. Yeah, I think this looks good, right? Yeah. Let's see what we can do. So we fixed this part in this, right? Yeah, I'm glad that we fixed that. Now we have to style the individual boxes, right? Probably. So we simply need to create an HTML page, I mean an HTML structure for it, and apply some style for individual boxes, right? That's what we are going to do. So to do that, we go uh, here. Honestly, I forgot to implement this part right here. We should create a red button, right? Let's go to the editor style and let's create the red button, right? To mark actions as dangerous, right? So the color will be FFF, and the background color will be actually red, but I rather use this notation right here. If we over this, we get a wider color like this one, and let's see if that works. So if we go here, yeah, it kinda looks like it is going to be like it is disabled. It is disabled. So let's decrease the whiteness. Uh, I don't see any difference now. Yeah, I see it, but it's very hard to distinguish. Let's try this one. The solution in between these two. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, I think this is pretty much what we need, right? Probably. So, how do we need right now? Well, we definitely did this part, right? Now let's try to edit the rules system and let's try to create a proper structure for our documents or you know for our rule blocks. Oh my god, I'm not feeling well right now. Hold on. Let me just rest for a little bit. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck is going on? Okay, I have stomach ache right now. It's fucking annoying, so I have to rest a little bit. I don't know if I, if I fall asleep. I don't know if this will happen. In case this happens, good night, I guess. Oh my god. Oh, 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 fuck. Oh my god. I just dropped my phone. Oh fuck. Why does this done? So right now, let's keep trying to get this part. So we have the inner block right here, right? Where the fuck did I put them? So all we have to do, so let's edit the inner block right here. So we don't need this anymore. For now we will just comment it out. Let's create a title, right? An H3 title. Then we have to put this part. We have to put the field ID. Mm, let's see. So we definitely need the field ID. So on we will just write. Should we create a div for that? Uh, let's try it like this. On field ID. Then we'll put this on a bold format, and then we will just put this right here. So if we go here, so that's our form application that we have the rule like this, right? That looks good, but this should be black. So let's put this color black. And let's set the margin to 0 pixel like this. Okay, this looks pretty decent, but now we have to create the style for this. So we define the style for the rule controls, right? And the box rule should be, let's copy this and paste it right here. We will put this as red, and then we just have to add this part, right? We probably don't need this part anymore. Wait, except this and this. So let's try to put a really bright red color right? And then when we hover it, we will put um, this color probably. Wait, let me just do a quick calculation. So we have 255 divided by 4, it's 64. Wait, 256. I mean, divided by 4 will be 64. Let's try 64 then. Whoops. So let's refresh this. Actually, we should add we should have this class. Um, this should be +1. And honestly, where did I put the box rule property? Let me just search for it. Oh, it is right here. Okay, that's good. So now we will assign this value based on the type. So we will uh, check if the type is error or a warning. So if it is an error, we will set the style um, to red, or else we will set it to yellow, like this. Let's put this right here, and we have the yellow color, and this should be probably 128. I think this is pretty good. Let's try this color. So what if we go here and let's try to edit this. Ooh, I don't really like it. This should be first. This should be probably be 196, right? And this should be yellow, of course, right? Probably. Uh, let's try 150. Doesn't look that good. Yeah, it's not that good. So let's try. Let's still try with this value. So we have. What did we set? Probably this. Let's try to decrease the opacity, the alpha value, and let's set to 0.25. Let's try again. I still don't like it. Also, this should be. Oh, the fuck is going on? For some reason, this errors out. Don't understand why. The fuck? What the fuck is the? Oh wait, I'm dumb. I'm dumb as fuck. This shouldn't be here. This should be right here. I don't know why they put that there. Let's try again, and then everything works. I don't know why, but these rules are errors, so I don't know why this is displayed as yellow. This doesn't make any sense, right? Oh, this is outside the for each. Cool. Uh, yeah, that's why it's probably right there. It should be though. It should be. So for each loop, oh, we basically have this. Yeah. Let's try again. Okay, now it works. All of these are applied on ID info. That's good. Also, should we put this? We should specify the font family, right? Let's go right here, and let's specify the font family, and I think it's Roboto, right? Isn't it? Let's check it out. So we have the font family, then we have the CSS file, and wait. We need this. I don't know why, but it should be Roboto, right? And this should be the right font that we use. Uh, there is this Arial. I don't think this is supposed to be here, honestly. But anyway, do we have Roboto? That's weird. I should use this font. Don't care. Let me just put this right here, and let me hard refresh the page. So this is probably, yeah. This is probably how I put this. So the yellow is a warning, right? Yep. Okay. I had stomach ache, but I took some pills and now I don't have it anymore. That's good. So yeah, the yellow label means that it is a warning. Should probably write that out. Yep. Um, I don't know. Then we have the action, right? So let's put this right here. And this part should be, I don't know. And then we should create an arrow operator. I mean, I don't know actually. And then we should also create this part right here. So if this is if this is true, we will just write true, or else we will write false, right? And then we will create a new div, right? And inside of this div, um, let's see what we should do. So we set the background color. Actually, we should with the style, right? Now um, we have to switch the type of the arrow, right? If this is true, we will we have the arrow color, or else we have the yellow one. So let's grab this right here, like that. Or else we have this color right here, just like that. And then we have um, we have the border radius property. Radius, we set it to 20 pixel, right? And then we have violation message. Oh god, just like that. right? Let's try to refresh this and let's check what we. Uh, oh, that's actually better than I thought. Okay, that's good. Let's keep that. Honestly, I have to add like the padding, right? We will set it to 20 pixels for now. So let's go back here and let's see what we get. Probably it is too much. Yeah, I think so. So 20 pixel, uh, probably 10 pixels. Let's try again. Yeah, I think this looks good. Uh, then we have violation message, right? And I don't think we need this part. And then we set the margin. So we set the margin top. Let's see, 10 pixels probably. Let's try that. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. Probably I would set it to 5 pixel, right? I would decrease this. Let's try again. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Honestly, wait. I would remove this. Let's try to check this. Yeah, uh, I would I will wrap this inside the bold tag, you know. So it should be bold, just like this. Let's see. Yep. This is pretty much how it will be displayed, right? I think it looks prettier. Also, let's change the height. I will completely remove this. Yeah, this looks better. Probably we need a minimum, right? What if we add this? Oh, this doesn't look that good. Oh, I don't like it. Um, Actually, if this is empty, we should just uh, create this like dot length. Just put this, or else we'll create this text right here, and then we set. I don't think this is the best to put this right here, but I don't care. Let's put it right here, and then we put color to a non-transparent one, like, and then we just put this. Um, get alt um, and then we put this GT, right? So what if we add a new empty rule, and this should be empty, right? It doesn't even work. Oh wait, I just put the color without anything else. Yeah, I'm dumb. Okay, let's try that now. So let's put a new empty rule. As you can see, this is actually empty. Ooh, I actually like the changes. It is so good. So that's pretty much how it works, right? Yeah. And the next time, I'm gonna we should create a unique save button, right? But I like this style, right? I think it looks so pretty, so good. And it's definitely more visible, like it's definitely more intuitive than before. We improved the UI. That's good. That's really good. Let's try to replace this with this, right? I will use this double arrow just to make it more intuitive. Yeah, I think this looks good. This looks pretty good. Probably we should make it more bright when we select the rules, right? Let's edit this right now. So this is actually the. Let's put this. Let's set this to 96. Let's see what we get. Yeah, it's more clear. So this is the error type and this is the warning type, right? I think this is basically how it works. I will add some margin actually. Let's go here. Wait, no, this is the wrong part. Now we had margin bottom 10 pixel. I think this is pretty good. Let's try again. Um, Probably it's too much. So let's add 5 pixel and let's see what we get. Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, I think this is much better. Wait, I'm already streaming for 1 hour. Holy damn, time goes fast. I was really tired a few minutes ago, or 30 minutes ago, I don't know. But I'm gonna probably stream for another 20 minutes, and then I will close the stream because I need to stream. Let's try to test this right here. Whoops. Oh my god. So we have, yeah, That's I like this. What's the error? Oh, I think it's no. What is it? Oh, it's actually yes. Oh, we have a problem here. We have to fix this. Oh wait, it's not actually a problem. Let's see. Let's remove this. We have to save this and or here. And let's try to refresh this. So if we have, you know, this, and we had this. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. We should have the actual error displayed. Like I know this isn't. I know it's like kind of displaying the error, but we should actually display the error. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. Then we have. I think we have something or something. Oh wait, I didn't put any rule. That's weird. Like I thought I put something. We should fix this. And this is a to-do thing for tomorrow, probably. For today, probably. I don't know. So let's go here. And so if we have this, we should probably create a new array like um, uh, let uh, applied messages, right? And this is an empty array. So find this, if we find this apply messages, let's see. If apply messages dot find, and then we get um, msg dot idx, we will continue, or else we will keep, or else we will display this. So we will display everything, and then we will set this um, to applied messages the length equals to msg dot index, right, like that. Let's see if that works. So let's put this and the fuck, bro. Um, Number three is not a function. Wait, what? The fuck does it? The fuck does that mean? The fuck you mean number three is not a function? What the fuck? Uh, Also, let me just test this. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Now we have find the fifth element. Number five is not a function. Probably index of. If we put five, oh, we get this. And if we don't find anything, 9, it's -1. Okay, so we should get this, and this should be uh, not -1. It should not be -1, right? So let's copy and paste this. Yeah, now it works. So what if we do this, then we do this? Yep, that's good. That's what we wanted. And we even fixed this glitch, right? That's before reaching 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's cool. So we only had to, to implement this check. How am I able to think at 3 a.m.? I don't even understand. Like, it's this timing is wrong. The real time is time Italy now. This is the time for me, and it's night time, so it's almost 3 a.m. I don't know how I'm still able to think, but hey, we fixed this. We fixed this. We applied the style and the style for the other things, and I think this is a good thing, right? So, what do we need right now? So I like how we managed to fix this. Like I planned to do it tomorrow, but hey, we did it. Also, this is a warning. So uh, what if we put this here? Let's save the rules, and then we save and apply this. What will happen? So we have this, right? And we have this, and seed. Now we have to uh, let's try to do this. So what if we apply this? Then we have error msgs. And then we have let's see. In the first case, we should just uh, let's break. Let's continue. Oh, focus. What the fuck? Why is I can? What the fuck you mean? Variable declaration not allowed in this location? Wait, what? Oh, that's because I call it continue. Um, I will call it ignore. So if ignore, we will continue. Simple as that. So just have to put this here, right? And then we have to break this. And actually this should be wrapped inside this. Then we will let's remove this, and we will oh, it's not supposed to be here. Probably here, right? Then if we oh god, this is supposed to be here, and then we'll put this -1, and this time is applied warning messages, right? Then we have applied warning messages, this start length, and the same thing with the error messages, right? So we have this applied error messages, and then again apply error messages, just like that. Well, that's why I put the braces right here, because we have to set ignore to true. Yep. Let's do it right here, and let's set it, oh god, let's set it to true. So let's try again. What if we have this more than five five characters, and then we add this. And now, uh, yeah, I still have this fucking thing that it's annoying. Okay. Uh, I would remove this. The same thing I would do for this part. So let's try to do that. So we have this, right? Then we had this. Yeah. So errors comes first, right? Even if you set the warning, but the error is more important. Errors are really important. So yeah, I think this works pretty well. And yeah, we fixed that. Don't ask me how. I'm tired as fuck. You have no idea. But I managed to do all of this like in 1 hour. Like it's a lot, actually. I'm still streaming. Yep, I am. How much data did I lose? 0.4%. That's good. That's good. So yeah, this is pretty much how it works, right? Yeah, yeah, it works. It works. Oh my god. And it's pretty much easy to use. And I'm glad this is working. So as you can clearly see, we fixed some things, right? And that's basically it. So maybe tomorrow, after we 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 continued about the matrix uh, properties and matrices and things like that, and after we learned more about OpenGL, we are going to make this page prettier. We will probably add a branding at the top. Yeah, that will be cool. And then make we will add something to the sidebar, right? But for now, I'm gonna end the stream. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Good night, everyone.